Tom Danger Vision. Back this week with a product review. So some time ago we did the electric toothbrush. Worked pretty good. I went back to my old handy dandy manual toothbrush for no particular reason, just because that's the style that I like to use. But in addition to brushing my teeth, although I've gotten several compliments on my teeth, I also have to floss. So I use the good old-fashioned floss pick, and I use this little brush thing here to get in between my teeth, so that when I go to the dentist on I guess every 6 months, or biannual basis, they're not hacking up my mouth trying to take out the extra plaque and stuff, because I like to think that I do a good job on my own. But unfortunately, when I went back to the dentist this time, they told me, you know what, Tommy, it's a lot of buildup in the back. I'm like, but how? How is this possible? I floss, I brush my teeth daily, I guess like a normal person, right? And I use the little brushes in between, and I also use my old-fashioned mouthwash. You know, so I don't like leaving stuff in between my teeth. And the hygienist says, well, you know what you need to do? You need to get a water pick. I'm saying, like, now my wife's gonna make fun of me. I already take 30 minutes to shave my face, another 20 minutes for my head. Now I have to add this water pick, or what they call an oral irrigator. Isn't that like the weirdest name? Like an oral irrigator, right? All right, bugged out, right? So doing all these things, now I'm gonna be in the bathroom for a long time, and she's gonna think that I'm taking the time away from her, but that's not the case. I just wanna make sure that I am presentable to the world, because that's what Tom Danger likes to do. So we were fortunate enough to get an oral irrigator from, forgive me if I hacked the name, but I think it's Liaboe. And it has 5 pressure settings and 3 minutes auto timer and safety power supply and all of these cool little gadgets, you know, different size water picks and different size water picks and toothbrushes, or a toothbrush that you can actually brush and floss at the same time. And I thought, wow, this is a pretty large contraption. You know, you have to fill it up with water and you plug it in, and it seems pretty involved. I don't see me adding this to my daily routine, except, you know, I am going to give it a trial for the next 30 days before I go back to the dentist. And if the dentist says, what have you been doing to your teeth, Tommy? This is great. Then I will sacrifice the fact of having this water shot into my mouth for about 3 minutes until it gets all of the excess foods and things from in between my teeth, because that's what it does. Now, the product itself is, I can't say that it's well constructed. It is very compact. It is easy to use. You simply fill up the tank with water, choose which type of nozzle you want to go on top, turn it off for the timer, and you put the pick in your mouth and you just move it gently up and down and side to side. And it does what it's supposed to do. It gently shoots water in between your teeth and, you know, pushes excess materials that the actual pick can't get out. The only pet peeve to this is that, you know, where's the water supposed to go, right? Because now you basically have almost 1.5 quarts of water that's being shot in your mouth, and you have to lean over the sink while the water just runs out, right? At the dentist, when you do that, they actually have the hose at the side of your mouth, and it's basically drawing the water out as the water's going in. But at home, you don't have that luxurious feature. So you have water that's just running everywhere. It's, you know, if you're not careful, it's like running down in front of your face and all in your clothes. I mean, you gotta lean over into the sink. It just feels so odd. But I guess it does what it's supposed to do. So is it something that I'm gonna try? Yes. Is it as, I don't want to say easy to use, but that process of the water just falling down, it's like you're drooling on yourself for a good 3 minutes. It just kind of grosses me out, you know. But you check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. Or if you've used an oral irrigator at home, what did you think of it? With that being said, let's go into a video. Bye.